I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my Smartish cell phone case for my iPhone 13 Pro. I wanted to show you guys why I love it so much. What I love is that there is a big enough opening here for my camera to fit in there and be able to still take shots without my camera view being impaired. I also love how thick it is, so I've dropped my phone a bunch of times and still my phone has not cracked or anything. I also love that it has this little opening back here to where I can fit 3 cards in here. So I like to keep my most used credit cards in ID, and I have it right here on the ready. So I have been in love with this cell phone case. It is easy for me to just snap my phone into there. So I absolutely love it and I have zero regrets, and that's my point of view.